Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Quality Inn and Suites Vidalia. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. The Quality Inn and Suites is centrally located in Vidalia near many major highways, shopping centers and restaurants. This Georgia hotel is minutes from local points of interest like the Pecan Orchard Plantation, Brewton-Parker College and Splash in the Boro water park. Pillow top mattresses, curved shower rods, hair dryers, coffee makers with free coffee, microwaves, refrigerators, irons, ironing boards, voicemail and cable television are standard features in all rooms at this Georgia hotel. Select rooms are oversized suites that offer upgraded amenities like spacious work desks, whirlpool bathtubs and sofa sleepers. While you are a guest of this Vidalia hotel, you can enjoy on-site features including free hot breakfast, free wireless high-speed internet access, free newspaper, seasonal outdoor pool and an exercise room. Business travelers can take advantage of additional features like the computer with internet access, and access to copy and fax service. On-site parking is provided and can accommodate most vehicles. For added conveniences, this is a pet-friendly hotel. Fees apply. Vidalia hosts the annual Vidalia Onion Festival where visitors can enjoy diverse activities and attractions like an air show, arts and craft displays, and an assortment of local entertainment and food. Held every spring, this popular event offers hours of fun for the entire family. Be sure to stop by the Vidalia Onion Factory and gift shop during your trip to this exciting area. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.